Alright, so this is pretty much the tune here. It's really pretty simple, just a C walk down progression here. So you'll just start with standard tuning, regular tuning here. Index finger first fret of the B, middle finger second fret of the D, and ring finger third fret of the A. And the strum pattern you're using is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. With one point is that when you do the first down, you're just going to pluck the root note of each chord. So in this case, it's a C note. So you're just plucking the A string. So you're plucking that down and then following through with the rest of the strum pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Now we're going to go to a C over B, I believe is what this is. So it's real easy. You just take your ring finger off, hop your middle finger up to second fret of the A string. You're going to do the same strum pattern. Down on just the root note on the A string. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now you're going to hop your middle finger back down because we got to go to A minor. So middle finger hops back down to second fret of D. Ring finger now sets down on second fret of G. Again, root on the A string. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now, to simplify this next chord for beginners, I'm going to do an F major 7. So your index finger stays where it is. Middle finger now jumps down to second fret of the G. Ring finger third fret of the D string. All right, so your high E is ringing open. You don't have to bar anything. So you're just plucking now that root note on the D string. That's an F. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So you put it all together, we've got set up the little bridge thing. You'll just go through the progression and just listen for it. It's gonna just do a strum on the F major 7 like so. So then you'll go to a D minor. So index finger now has to move. So it hops down to the first fret of the high E. Middle finger is going to set second fret of the G. Ring finger third fret of the B. And you're going to pluck the D string now because we got D minor. So you're going to do that. Then you're going to go to a very simplified G chord. So what I'm doing for that is just setting ring finger on the third fret of the low E, and that's it. You can kind of mute out the A string maybe a little bit. That might help. Mute out the A with maybe the bottom of your ring finger. So we've got D minor, to G. Now we're going to do a little walk down. We're going to go C, C over B, A minor. So that was C, B, so that's in the flow of things on that pre-chorus, or bridge, whatever you want to call it. Back to D minor, G, back to verse. So hopefully that helps you get all the pieces to the puzzle for this tune. Pretty simple song. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.